Anyone wanting to quickly get up and running with GoMud. The repository was just set up yesterday, so documentation really just hasn't been ironed out as much as it should. It's pretty sparse, and is just really for people that understand what they're reading there and can kind of maybe even do a little bit of guesswork and figuring out whatever it is I might have left out. I don't know, but it's actually pretty simple to get going. If you don't have Git, you can just grab the zip file off of this green code button right here and extract it to a folder. Anybody that does have Git, go ahead and just copy that URL to clone it. Then go ahead and do a git clone, which will grab all the files. You can go right into that folder. This folder will now be, if you don't have Git, this is the folder that you would have extracted the files into. Now, from here, you either have to have Go installed or you have to have Docker installed. Docker is a more complicated route to go, but it's useful for people that are used to doing a lot of development. But if you just have Go, it's really great because Go has a simple way to get things running. It's just go run and then a dot for the current folder, and it'll do everything for you. It'll compile it and get it running for you. So if you watch this, let me just expand this a little bit. So you'll see it's going to start logging. So it'll report any errors it has and probably panic out if something serious goes wrong. But now it's running. So now to connect to it, just again, whatever your favorite telnet client is, I'll just do a regular telnet localhost, and the default port is 33333. And there's only one user that comes with it to begin with, and that's just the default admin, which has a username of admin and a password of password. And all it is just basically, it's got a character in there and everything. It's just basically for testing and that sort of thing. Just the count I was using. So you can go ahead and start experimenting with commands. Help, you can scroll through all this stuff, look at help on any of these. And yeah, now you're in. So you can go ahead and start, kind of screwing around, look for problems. Feel free to report any, or even better, if you have any improvements or pull requests, those are very welcome. To exit out of the MUD, you can do a control Q or /quit. Or if you want to just shut down the whole server from here, if you're the admin, you can do a control X, and that'll do a shortcut to shut down it immediately. If you do a shutdown with a number there, it'll tell everybody that the server's shutting down in X seconds, and as you can see, everything has stopped here. So that's it. That's all there is to it. Hopefully that's enough to get you all started.